This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and positioning yourself. Put the Apple Watch on correctly, then attach the compatible external blood pressure cuff and power it on. This allows calibration. Once done, sit upright with feet flat and the cuffed arm supported at heart level. Relax for 1 minute to stabilize readings. Make sure Bluetooth and wrist detection are active on the watch and iPhone so data can sync automatically. This prevents lost measurements and prepares the system for the reading. You perform calibration next, which maps cuff values to the watch algorithm for accuracy. Open the blood pressure app on your iPhone, follow the guided steps to take a baseline reading using the external cuff, and allow the app to store that calibration. Once calibrated, start the measurement from the Apple Watch app. Keep your arm relaxed and still, and avoid talking while the sensor and algorithm estimate blood pressure. After the watch displays results, let the app sync to the iPhone so long-term tracking begins. You finish by saving and verifying measurements so they inform future readings. After the result appears, confirm it's synced to the Health app and inspect recent values for consistency. This helps detect anomalies. If values differ significantly from a clinical cuff, recalibrate using the external cuff. Make sure the cuff is positioned about 1/2 to 1 inch above the wrist and snug but not tight. If problems continue, restart both devices, check Bluetooth, and retry. This resolves most connection or software hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.